Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today what we're going to do is we're going to put together just a simple fan, nothing too crazy, a 3-speed fan. And as you see, we're going to get a heat wave pretty soon, so we don't have central air here, so we need fans. And this is the fan that we're going to put together. So as you see, I picked it up from Amazon for a limited time deal, I suppose, $33.99. So let's show you how to put this together. I'm sure it will work fine. I mean, it's just a regular stand-up fan. I mean, I don't think it's going to be that big a deal. Let's open it up and let's put her together. All right, I got my trusty scissors here. Let's get into this bad boy and see what we see. Off the blade. Don't cut yourself on the blade. It's very sharp. It's very sharp plastic. Got the two fronts. Looks like the stands. And we've got something or other. I call this part the something or other. Oh, there's the thing that goes into the fan that screws the fan in. All right. That's the something or other. Oh. And then we've got the electronic part, the speed. So control your speed. Come on! Come on! Come on! All right. And we have the instructions. What do we do with the instructions? These pieces of the destructions, as I like to call it. These are the stands. I'm assuming these go on the floor. Oh. Take this bitty off. And there's got to be a screw someplace. I'm assuming there's a... Oh, okay. This goes into like that. Okay, I see. I see. All right, let's go. What do you think? I need my glasses is what I need. Oops. There's a piece in there. I gotta get my glasses. This must go through here. There we go. It goes through here like that. And then this must go in here. So you must have to unscrew that. There's a screw right here, so you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. And I'm assuming that goes right up there. So there's a screw right here. Just unscrew it. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. And then you're going to take that piece and put it in here. Not sure how far it goes. Okay, there's a stopping point here. So it only goes so far. And then you're gonna screw it back in. I wouldn't do it too tight. That's probably tight enough. So, is this right? So this should tighten. It should tighten. Oops. All right, this should tighten it. There you go. So you can put it up and down like that. Okie dokie. And then let's find, this has got to be the base. So this is the base. There's got to be a screw or something. No? I don't think there's a screw. I think it just fits right in. And then, let's see here. Let me put these babies on. And there's a lip right here. And then there's a lip, and then there's a hole right here. So you're just going to put the lip in the hole. Right. So there's your base. You don't need any tool, or you don't need any screws or anything. So now we got to put the fan on. So if I was a betting man, that's the front. So it's got the, obviously it's got the PELONIS label on it. And what do we got left? So this is going to go here, assuming. Does this come off? Oh. This comes off. Sorry. So this piece comes off. Yeah, I never put this fan together before. And that goes on. All right, there we go. That makes more goddamn sense. So that piece comes off. That makes more sense to me now. All right, now we're getting there. Now we're getting there. Got that on there. That piece here. Whew, it's hot. Need a fan for my fan. Oh, make sure you go the right way. Right. Tighten that on there. I wouldn't do it too tight, just snug enough, and then you never know when you're going to have to take it apart. And then put this on. I'm having a hell of a time putting this thing on. This is like the hardest part of the whole thing. Is there a screw in there? Oh, that's why, because there's a screw. That's why I can't get the damn thing on, because there's a screw here. So, unscrew this a little bit. Then we're going to have to screw it back in. Put this on. This is the hardest part, is putting this stupid thing on. There we go. All right. And then do the screw in the bottom, screw it in a little bit. Not too tight, just snug. Just snug as a bug in a rug. That goes like that. All right. This, tighten it. Let's do the cord. Let's plug her in and get some air in here because it's hotter than hell. All right. Gotta find a plug over here. Excuse my crotch. Oops, knocked my camera over. Right. Let's get our camera back where it needs to be. And we will turn it on. And there we go. Oh. Lovely, lovely girls and guys. You ever do this as a kid? Oh boy, it was fun to put this together. And you can do it, just leave it there. Or you can go like this, let it go back and forth. And just feel the coolness of the fan. Oh. All right, gals and guys, thank you for putting up with my nonsense as always. I hope this helps somebody out there. We both learned something today. We both learned how to put together a fan. It wasn't too hard, was it? So please subscribe. What are all the things? Like, share, hit the bell for updates. You know the laundry list of things you need to do at the end of all YouTube videos. Please do that. If you're interested in the fan, I'll put the link. It will be an affiliate link down in the description. So if you hit the link and you buy the fan off that link, then it will help me and it will help the channel. And that's true with any affiliate links that are in any of my videos down below. Those are all affiliate links. All right, gals and guys, I appreciate you as always. And let's get on to the next video. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll figure it out. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Peace.